This is Chris Dela Cruz
Michael Dela Cruz.
and we're Expanded Awareness. And we're doing a 3-part series on Mike's favorite side hustle.
Mm-hmm.
So far, part 1 was...
having products, quality products that actually helps people.
Number 2.
We talked about the system and the importance of having a system to create more freedom into your life.
And the 3rd part is traffic, how to drive traffic.
Yes.
So what is traffic, Mike?
Well, when I talk about traffic, I'm not talking...
I keep hearing you talk about traffic.
Yeah, it's not talking about like vehicles getting, I'm not talking about that type of traffic. It's not like traffic lights or anything like that. In the internet marketing world, or even in the business world, traffic is basically eyeballs. If it's a physical business, people walking in the mall, when you go to the mall, there's a lot of businesses in there.
Yeah.
And the people walking in that mall is actually considered traffic. So you have walking traffic, right? So
if you're driving traffic, you have something attractive to them that brings them in that they want?
Exactly. So that's what driving traffic is basically. You have something that catches their attention. It could be a billboard. A good example I give is always people driving and they're hungry. And if you have a restaurant, you want to have something that tells them, hey, look, I got food here, come grab it, right? Mm-hmm. A billboard, or it could be flashing lights. So the people can see, oh, there's a restaurant there. Let me go and, grab some food and solve my issue of being hungry.
Okay.
So when it comes to online, it's the same thing. So people want to like separate internet, having a business online or doing a side hustle online from like having a side hustle in the physical world. It's actually the same thing. It's just that the approach is differently. And online, because you can have a system doing the automation for you, you don't even have to be present. The same thing goes in the physical one, because you have a franchise, you're the owner of the franchise, you have the managers, you have the people working the system, you know what I mean? You got the customers coming in. So you already have a system in place. Now, the thing that online is that you don't need employees, you don't need, how can I put this?
Oh, all that overhead?
You don't need all that overhead. It's actually, you just need a few components working together.
So you don't even have to be able to work with people. Some people have really miserable personalities.
Exactly. A lot of people don't like working with people. So for people like that to start a business, then online will be ideal for you. So driving traffic, going back to the topic, is basically your ability to get eyeballs into your doors online. So when it comes to online, let's say somebody's searching or are interested in a certain topic. An example I could give is about dog walking. Mm-hmm. Let's say you have a business or something that has to do with dog walking, and you want people online to find that dog walking business. Mm-hmm. Then you have topics about around that topic, and then people that are searching for it, they find your ad or whatever you have online, your content. Mm-hmm. And guess what? If the content is actually if it's congruent to what they're looking for, then they're gonna go in and check it out. And again, they're gonna go through the system, which is basically them learning more about your products and services and how they can get access to it. Mm-hmm. And basically, so an example I could give you in our business, I do the internet marketing for our hair business.
And it's tripled. The business has really gotten good since he's come along.
Yeah, because I learned some skills. So basically, people that are searching for haircuts, they're searching for hair color, or searching for any service with their hair or skincare, they tend to find us online. Maybe searching through Google, or maybe they found our Facebook page, etc. The point is that you're creating content on the internet on a consistent basis, and or you just kind of going out there and explaining, hey, look, I do hair, or I do this type of service, and people are finding that people that need that service are finding you on the internet. The same thing goes if your business is online or your side hustle is online. You can have people find services that the products are like digital. They don't have to be physical products. Mm-hmm. So with traffic, there's 2 types of traffic when it comes to online.
Oh.
Did you know that?
No.
Well,
I don't drive. No.
Yeah, no. Good one. So there's 2 types of traffics when it comes to internet marketing. So traffic can be either organic or paid. What I mean by organic or paid, so organic are just simply people finding your content randomly online. They're searching for it. You don't have any control over this traffic because it's just people that are actually searching. So this is traffic that's coming from the content that you created. So this could be a how-to videos, it could be strategies, something that you share online and people just happen to find it, okay. Right? Now, when it comes to the other type of traffic, is paid traffic. With this traffic, you do have control because you're paying a company or a person. You're paying them to send you visitors to your website or to your landing page. So this traffic you have control over because you know how much you're gonna spend and you know how many clicks you're gonna you expect from that.
What's a click?
Yeah, when you're paying somebody to send you clicks, it's basically you're paying a company. Let's say you're doing a Facebook ad, mm-hmm. and that company is directing people to your content. You're paying them to show your content to this audience, and when they click on it, that's considered a hit or a click into your landing page.
Oh, okay.
So they see, let's say for Facebook, for example, somebody, you're on Facebook and then you see this ad about something like, dog training or some courses, and then you click on that ad, that's already considered a click. So that's called a visitor too.
Oh, so when you're going through companies, you're buying clicks. Like, I want to buy so many clicks.
Exactly. So yeah, you're buying traffic, you're buying clicks. So that's a way for you to accelerate your results because you don't have to wait. Like when you're creating content, if you don't have an audience, it might take a while. It might take a while to take off because you gotta wait for algorithms to take your content and show it to people. But when it comes to paying for traffic, you're actually commanding. You're actually, okay, I want clicks now. Like it's more like on demand.
Oh, so what would you recommend for somebody starting out?
For somebody starting out to get traffic, I would recommend to do if you have low budget, there's different types of things that you can do to learn.
Okay.
I always recommend to do a little bit of both.
Oh, okay.
You want one, and something I learned from a lot of my mentors. You want to do one paid strategy, and then you want to do one free strategy, and combine them together. The free strategy, which is the organic method, that's you creating content over time. That's gonna help you bring down your cost of advertisement.
Is it gonna attract a different kind of customer, possibly? More of a long term, or?
Yeah, more long term because you're attracting a value-based. Client. These are customers that or people that have been watching your content over time.
Oh, okay.
And you give them value, so they
trust you more.
They trust you more. So in the long term, this is going to be better, better quality traffic and better quality people.
Okay. Versus
with paid, these people don't know you yet, so they're gonna go to your landing page. And then through the email, follow up, then you get to share with that audience more about yourself. So that way they want to see that you're a real person.
Oh, okay.
And people like connecting with people. That's that's what I advise when people get started. Focus on building relationships with people. It's a better way of doing business, in my opinion. Mm-hmm. Unless it's the person just looking for a product, like this is what I want. They
and you have it,
and you have it, and they want it now. Then you're gonna get people like that. You're gonna get some people that are gonna just buy right away,
and that's fine.
But then you're gonna get some people that they need to trust you more. They need to get to know you better. So this is where the follow-up comes in. You want to give these people value. They want to see that you can really help them out, really.
Yeah.
So if you communicate with people, you share your who you are. And a good advice, going back to the system on that second video.
Okay.
I put that you need a sales page. A lot of times what people do after they enter their name and email,
okay,
they share something called a bridge page. And a bridge page is basically a page where you share about yourself.
Oh, who you are, how you came about your opportunity.
Yeah, how you came about your opportunity. How do you find the product that the people are going to look at afterwards?
Oh, okay.
And that builds like the instant connection that there's a real person on the other side of the, of the of the computer screen. So yeah, basically, you're gonna build that relationship with that person. Hey, look, and why you recommend this product? I get people that come to us for the first time to our shop, and a lot of times they come in because they see that we already have we have a history. We've been around. We're established, and they see that there's people leaving some reviews about their experience and things like that.
In our shop, we have 93 years of experience. We're dinosaurs combined. We have 3 people with a combined experience of 93 years.
Yes, exactly. So that's basically how you drive traffic, and those are the 2 types. So
how do people find out more about the opportunity?
Well, if you're interested in getting started learning how to drive traffic, having the system and having a side hustle already built for you, just check out the link below this video and access that free presentation. Just watch it yourself,
and they'll show you everything.
And simply get started. I follow the steps myself. I just learn a little bit every day, and then at the end of the steps, they help me set my side hustle up, and then. You just follow the steps and be consistent on it.
And then you can party. Hasta la pasta.
Exactly.
And
have fun. So that's it for the traffic. Anything else you want to ask?
No, I'm ready to party.
Okay. Well, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
I hope that you learn about this experience, and this is a very lucrative side hustle. So if you're interested in getting started again, go ahead and click that link below this video or in the description.
And if you have any questions, we're always open to questions. You can DM us and we will respond.
Yes, you can DM us, and if you need help setting things up, I got experience, so I can help you out personally. I actually opening up the doors for probably 5 people that I can help personally one-on-one on walking you on giving you additional support for getting started with the opportunity through me. But other than that, leave us, if you like this, just leave us the comments of your thoughts below, and we'll see you in the next episode of Expanded Awareness. And coming up next,
we have a friend coming pretty soon.
Yeah, on the next.
So look forward to it. We have an interview with a friend.
Yes, we have an interview with a friend who's actually doing really good with marketing, and he's gonna share with you his expertise. And yeah, he's coming up in the next episode. And also we're going to have a shop talk episode coming up as well.
Absolutely.
So that we can
our
get
favorite products.
Favorite products.
For certain hair types.
For certain hair types, and also for skin care. So
you got very nice skin.
Oh, thank you. So do you.
Well, thank you.
We all got to take care of ourselves. I mean, if we're living in, I see our body as a temple. So if you're going to live in this body, in your body, you just got to take care of it,
Well, I look great for 82 years old.
I know, and I'm 93, so.
Dang. We're kidding. We'll see you in the next episode from Our Hearts to Yours.
All right. Have a great, great day. Bye.